Good morning, my beautiful ladies, and welcome to Head Talk with Lynda. My name is Lynda Iruoma, a community health practitioner. Today, we will be talking about what causes vaginal dryness, what causes lack of vaginal wetness. On today's video, I'll be answering questions like, Nurse Lynda, I don't enjoy sex anymore because my vagina is always dry. Nurse Lynda, I just hit menopause and I don't enjoy sex. Nurse Lynda, how come my vagina is dry? I don't understand what is happening to my body. So these questions and more is what we are going to discuss on today's video. Before we proceed, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out. To my returning subscriber, this is me saying thank you. So let's go there. What is vaginal dryness? Vaginal dryness is inability of the vagina to produce secrete fluid. Inability of the vaginal lining to be lubricated with fluid that keeps it moist, thick, and elastic. When the vaginal lining is always dry, kakaraka, then that is what dry vagina means. Vaginal dryness happens when the tissue in your vagina is thin, dry, and not well moisturized. What causes lack of vaginal wetness? What causes vaginal dryness? Number one, reduced estrogen. Reduced estrogen. In most cases, vaginal dryness happens when the level of estrogen in the body is reduced. When the level of estrogen in the body decreases, this is the main cause of vaginal dryness. Estrogen is a hormone that is responsible for secondary characteristics in women, a hormone that helps to keep the vagina healthy. It helps to maintain the lubrication, the elasticity, and the aestheticity of the vagina. When the estrogen level of female genital is low, it can result to painful sexual intercourse, bruises, irritation, etc. And there are factors that causes decrease in estrogen level. Examples are childbirth, pregnancy, medication, breastfeeding, etc. All these factors that I've mentioned now causes decrease in estrogen, and estrogen is the main gum. When estrogen level is normal inside your body, then there is no how you'll be getting dry down there. The second cause of your vaginal dryness is medication and some treatment. When you're undergoing some certain treatment, when you're on some certain medication, it tends to dry out the vagina. Example of the medication: birth control pills, chemotherapy, hormone therapy, antidepressants. All these medication tends to dry out the juice in your vagina, in your flower. The third reason that causes lack of vaginal wetness is certain medical condition or disorder. Yes, certain medical condition and disorder tends to dry out the vaginal juice. It tends to make the vagina dry. For example, diabetes. When you are diabetic, it tends to be dry. Some people tend to be drowned down there. Mental disorder. For example, anxiety. When you are anxiety, depression. How can somebody that is depressed get wet? The fourth reason, not being sexually aroused. Make sure you are sexually aroused before engaging in love making, before engaging in sexual intercourse. Like I have said, everything is all about the mind. And when you are sexually aroused, when they touch you, kiss you, and you are now at peace, you now forget all the worries, all the problems, then your body will now lubricate. Even if your estrogen level is low, your body will try its best to bring that lower one down to your vagina. Your body will try its best to trigger that hormone in order to lubricate your vagina. That's how God made it. Sometimes, even if sometimes some people, the worst part is that vaginal dryness become obvious, apparent, flexible during penetration. So if you're not wet, try to use lubricant, water-based lubricant in order to get wet. Especially if you are using condom, use water-based lubricant because water-based lubricant don't use to tear the condom. Make sure you are sexually aroused, engage in foreplay, engage in sweet messages, talks, something that will just blow your mind. I believe that you will get wet. So lack of foreplay, lack of sweet things, sweet talks, not being sexually aroused is another cause of vaginal dryness. Let it be that your estrogen level is normal. You will still not be wet if you are not sexually aroused. The fifth one is dehydration. Oh my God. Some people, they don't even take fluid at all. How can you be complaining that your vagina is dry and you don't even take enough fluid? Make sure you drink a whole lot of water, different sweet natural juice, yogurt. All this helps to keep the vagina moist, keep the vagina succulent, keep the vagina juicy, and keeps the vagina wet. Take enough water, take enough fluid, take enough natural juice, take enough yogurt. Number 6, the phase of your menstrual cycle. That is the phase you are on your menstrual. The phase of your menstrual cycle. You tend to be dry after menstruating, and you tend to be more, or you tend to be wet during ovulation. Check the phase that you are in your cycle, so that in your cycles, before you start to complain that my vagina is dry. Another reason for dry vagina is pregnancy and childbirth. I got a question the other day on my DM. Miss Lynda, since I gave birth to my baby, I'm no more enjoying sex. This is 8 months and my vagina is dry. My vagina is always dry. Yes, that is hormone. The hormone inside your body, that is what is causing your vagina to be dry. You know, after pregnancy, after childbirth, your body is trying its best. The hormone inside your body, everything is trying to go back to normal. So some people, their vagina tends to be dry at this time. Yes, at the moment. Wait so that your body will go back to its normal state and you will experience juicy some. Final reason why your vagina is always dry is the way you practice your feminine hygiene. Yes, your hygiene practice. Some people, they tend to use feminine wash regularly. All these intimate commercial products, they will be using it all the time, every morning, afternoon, and night. Morning, afternoon, and night. All this tends to dry up your vagina. If you notice that your vagina is always dry and you are using any type of feminine wash, quit it for now. Quit it for now. If you're the type that always inserts all the insertable, alum, piarara, what are those things that I even learned that they used to insert? So if you're the type that always inserts something, final one is when you notice any change down there, make sure to consult a health caregiver. Make sure to consult your gynecologist. Make sure to see your doctor. Your health is my concern. This channel is all about your health as a woman. Anything that will keep you healthy and keep your mental state at peace. That is what I'm rooting for. Make sure to subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out. In our next video, we are going to talk about remedy of lack of vaginal wetness, yes, remedy of vaginal dryness. Since that we have known what vaginal dryness is, since we have known the causes, which is reduce or decrease estrogen, certain medical condition and disorder, certain medical treatments and medication, the phrase that you are on your menstrual cycle, not being sexually aroused, pregnancy and childbirth, dehydration, and the type of your feminine hygiene practice. Since you have known all this as the cause of your vaginal dryness, try to watch the next video, which is the remedy of vaginal dryness. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.